Hey everyone, welcome back. I got some breaking news for you. Now, this happened on January 28th, 2025, approximately 130 miles off of Wilmington, North Carolina. There was a sailing vessel with two crew members on board and they were taken on water. An MH-60 Jayhawk helicopter was launched from a Coast Guard Air Station in Elizabeth City and went en route and recovered the two people. No injuries reported and they were taken back to port safely. If you guys like these kind of videos, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and we will see you on the next.
That's definitely the move. There you go.
And swimmer's ready.
Right about there. And you can begin the hoist.
Roger, I've taken in sight. Swimmer's going outside the cabin door for a load check.
Roger.
Swimmer's outside the cabin door. Load check complete. Swimmer's going down.